good, law-abiding citizen?
Yes, I can.
Can you hold a job on the outside?
Yes, I can.
If we grant you the privilege of freedom, can you conform?
Privilege? Who gave you the authority to impose your will on me? I'll serve my 3 years. Each and every day of it. And when I walk out of here, I walk out of here tall, on my own hind legs, without your permission. A man! So you just take your privilege and your authority, so you just shove it up your collective white faggot asses!
Take him out. Get out! Get him out of here.